Hello and welcome to Table Talk. I'm Sophie.
I'm Amy.
And I'm Tiziana.
We're very excited to have Tiziana on board with us now. So what are you up to?
Well, basically a week ago I got introduced to Kit and to Project Kitchen Table, and since then I got a flow of idea coming out for our personality kit matching profile, and I'm here to try to design and breathe life into Kit.
So exciting, starting to see our vision come to life.
Yeah.
And we promised you that we'd talk to you about what learnings we had from the user testing. So the first learning we had was that kids really do appreciate getting that shot of confidence from talking to somebody. It doesn't need to be a human, but somebody that is all theirs. And they were actually talking to Kit more frequently than we asked 100%. Them to.
And variety also came through really, really strongly. What kept people coming back was that change in language that Kit was able to give them. So we know that we need to keep building that and keep embedding that into the products. Something else really exciting was when we spoke to parents, they were telling us that actually Kit didn't really affect their daily life. It wasn't something they needed to stress about or really think about, which was absolutely fantastic. And the other thing that we asked them about was any concerns that they might have around actually purchasing Kit. And the main thing that came up was this repeated concern about data, who's storing the data, what's being done with it. So that means for us, we need to be really clear, really transparent around our data minimization strategy and making sure that that is forefront so that people can really get comfortable with using Kit.
Yeah, we need to make that really clear when we take Kit to market.
Exactly.
And then obviously Rex, who is not squeezed into this sofa with us right now, is gung-ho moving forwards with the Kit camps. So we'll be obviously sharing more about that with you very, very soon. Thanks so much for listening.
Bye!